What's up guys, Paul from Man Academy back with another quick tutorial. This time we're working on the thief vault. Thief vault is very similar to a lazy vault. The only difference is that with a lazy vault you have the leg closest to the wall in the back. With the thief vault you switch. So the leg farthest away from the wall is in the back. The hand closest to the wall goes on. Back leg kicks up and over, you jump, switch your feet, pass the wall behind you, just like a lazy vault. That'll turn your body 90 degrees, makes it nice and easy to switch directions. So that's been your quick tutorial on how to do a thief vault. If you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring that bell to turn on notifications so you make sure you get notified every single time we upload a new tutorial or a new video. And see you all next time. Train both sides. A lazy vault, you go in a straight line, so you're going from one side straight over, parallel with the object. Thief vault allows you to turn 90 degrees. You can do that with a lazy vault too. Don't get it mixed up.